When it comes to ensuring reliable power during outages or for off-grid activities, choosing the right diesel generator is crucial. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one fits your needs? In today's video, we're diving deep into the differences between portable and standby diesel generators, helping you figure out which one is the perfect match for you. Portable diesel generators. Portable diesel generators are the go-to option when you need power on the move. They're compact, lightweight, and designed to be easily transported from one location to another. Ranging from 1,000 to 10,000 watts, they're perfect for powering small to medium-sized appliances, tools, or equipment. Key benefits. The number one advantage of portable generators is their versatility. They're ideal for short-term needs and outdoor events. Need power for a few hours or days? A portable generator has you covered. Keep in mind, though, because they're designed for temporary use, they do require manual setup and regular refueling. And, unlike standby units, you'll need to pay attention to maintenance like oil changes, fuel checks, and parts replacement to keep it running smoothly. Standby diesel generators. Standby diesel generators, on the other hand, are designed for a completely different purpose. These are installed permanently outside your home or business, connected directly to your electrical system. When the power goes out, they automatically kick in, restoring power within seconds with zero effort from you. Why choose standby? Standby generators are all about reliability. They're typically more powerful, ranging from 7,500 to over 100,000 watts, and can keep an entire home or business up and running during an outage. What's more, many of these units run on natural gas or propane, so you don't need to worry about constantly refueling them. Once installed, a standby generator requires far less attention than a portable model. Sure, they still need occasional servicing, but their lifespan is much longer, and you won't have to manually start them or manage fuel levels. They're designed for continuous use, ensuring that you never have to worry about losing power. Key differences: power and usage. One of the most obvious differences between portable and standby generators is their power capacity. Standby generators are designed for large-scale, continuous use and can handle the power needs of entire homes, businesses, or industrial operations. They can run HVAC systems, lighting, refrigeration, and more, ensuring no disruption to your daily operations. Portable generators, on the other hand, are better suited for smaller tasks. While they can power essentials like a refrigerator or a few lights during an outage, they're not equipped to handle the full load of a large home or business over an extended period. Cost and installation. When it comes to cost, there's a noticeable difference. Standby generators are more expensive, often ranging from $5,000 to $15,000 or more. And you'll also have to factor in installation costs, which typically require a licensed professional. That said, you're investing in peace of mind and long-term, hands-off power. Portable generators, by comparison, are much more affordable, usually between $500 and $3,000. They don't require installation, and you can set them up on your own. However, you'll pay a little more in fuel and maintenance over time due to their regular upkeep. Noise and emissions. Noise can be a concern, especially if you're using a generator near your living space. Portable generators tend to be louder, which can be disruptive. Standby units, though noisy as well, are installed away from the home or building, minimizing noise disruption. In terms of emissions, diesel-powered models generally produce more pollutants than natural gas or gasoline-powered ones. But the impact is lessened when the generator is installed away from residential areas. Durability and maintenance. Maintenance is another area where portable and standby generators differ. Portable generators need more frequent attention. You'll need to check the oil, fuel system, and moving parts regularly to ensure they're in good working order. Standby generators, on the other hand, are designed to last much longer between maintenance sessions, requiring only routine servicing like oil changes or filter replacements every few months or years. When to choose which? So, which one is right for you? If you need backup power for a few essential items or want a generator for outdoor activities, construction work, or a small backup solution, a portable generator is an excellent choice. They're affordable, flexible, and perfect for short-term needs. However, they're not suited for long-term, automatic power. For those living in areas with frequent power outages or running critical operations, a standby generator is your best bet. It'll provide automatic, continuous power with minimal effort on your part. With its higher upfront cost, it offers reliability, less maintenance, and peace of mind that your power will never be interrupted. In the end, both portable and standby generators have their place. Consider what your specific needs are: portability and temporary power, or long-term, seamless power that requires minimal attention.